Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to access the Flex 12 manual using the QR code on the front of the centrifuge. How to access the Flex 12 manual. Your Flex 12 has a QR code on its front panel label. This QR code will take you to a convenient owner's portal with a variety of helpful links for your centrifuge, including the manual. To scan it, you'll need a cell phone with a camera. If you can't access one, you can click the link in the description and it'll take you right to the page. Use your phone to scan the QR code. If you need assistance using your phone to scan the code, refer to your phone's operating manual. You will automatically be redirected to the owner's portal. You'll first see an invitation to register your new centrifuge. We recommend registration so you receive important updates about the Flex 12. Once you've registered, you'll see a page with several different options useful to you as the owner of a Flex 12 centrifuge. Click the Manual button to instantly access the PDF manual for your Flex 12. You can bookmark this owner's portal page for easy reference or simply scan the QR code whenever needed. And that's all there is to it. If you have any more questions, you can always contact Drucker customer service and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.